Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox music on piano. First, ensure your piano or keyboard is ready and tuned, and perhaps review some basic musical scales. Many popular Roblox tracks are composed using simple melodies that are quite accessible for beginner to intermediate players. You can easily start by identifying a few of your favorite game themes that inspire you to play. Locating good quality sheet music or tutorials is crucial for learning. Websites like Roblox Music Codes or fan-made music archives often provide free resources, including simplified arrangements. Search for specific song titles followed by piano tutorial or sheet music on platforms like YouTube. Remember, starting with arrangements labeled easy or beginner will make your learning experience much smoother and more enjoyable. Some Roblox tunes can sound quite complex, but you can simplify them. Start by playing just the melody, getting comfortable with the notes and rhythm. Then, add basic two-note or three-note chords with your left hand to provide a harmonic foundation. Practice slowly, perhaps at 50 to 60 beats per minute, using a metronome to keep your timing consistent. This method builds confidence and makes the process less overwhelming. Consistent practice is absolutely essential for progress. Try to set aside 20 to 30 minutes each day, rather than one long session once a week. When you encounter a difficult measure, practice it 5 to 10 times separately before rejoining it with the rest of the piece. Recording your playing also offers valuable insights, helping you pinpoint where your timing might be off or notes are unclear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.